If you've ever wished for a reset button on life, maybe this is where you start. Hey, welcome back to my channel. This isn't one of those videos that tells you to wake up at 5 a.m., drink lemon water, and become that girl overnight. You're here because you feel overwhelmed, stuck, or just done. I see you, and I know how heavy it gets. So instead of pushing yourself to do more, this reset is about doing less, but more intentional. You don't have to fix everything today. You just need to start showing up for yourself again. This isn't just about scrubbing floors or making your bed. It's about shifting the energy around you. Start small. Clear your desk. Wipe down your mirror. Your space is an extension of your mind, and when it's cluttered, so are you. But when it's clean, when it's light, open, intentional, you breathe easier. You're not cleaning just to be productive. You're cleaning to come home to yourself again. Grab a page, write it all out, everything you're overthinking, the shoulds, the guilt, the fear. You don't need to fix it all, you just need to let it out. You can even try out shadow working or SWOT analysis. I know you've got a long to-do list, but just choose one. Here's example. 1 focus, 1 win. Shower like you're washing off the last version of you. Put on a fresh outfit, even if no one will see you. Light a candle, spray perfume, wear lip balm. I don't mean reconnect with good friends, but with you and nature. You can even write a letter to yourself. Speak as if you already healed. Say, I'm proud of how far you've come. Let your future voice remind you. Cut all the noise, whether social media or people or anything that drains you. Block guilt, block pressure, curate peace like it's your job. At the end of the day, we do one loving thing, not for progress or discipline, but because you deserve softness too. Light a candle, listen to music, read a book, have tea, or just lay down and breathe. One kind act for myself. That's it. You don't have to do all of this. Even one step is still movement. You're not broken, you're just in between. You don't need to be productive. You just need to remember, you still care. If this helped, subscribe for more calm lifestyle resets and mindset healing.